difficult to negotiate with the world, and it's super difficult to negotiate with other people if you feel like you don't have the right to exist. What I mean by that is if you grew up in a childhood of extreme abandonment, extreme neglect, extreme violence, extreme chaos, where it wasn't safe to be a kid and be in your body, all kids in that situation, we're going to leave our emotional body and go right up into our heads and stay there. Unfortunately, as we grow up into adults, that means that we're going to struggle with things like an existential crises, disassociation, derealization, depersonalization. And that also means we're not going to be able to ask our partner get our needs met. We may not know what those needs are. We're not going to ask for a raise. We're not going to use our voice. We're not going to ask for clarification. We're not going to set boundaries. A childhood trauma therapist is going to be super helpful in getting you back into your body. Can't get one of those. Start to find your inner adult and take these little uncomfortable risks every day. It's still going to feel like out of your body, but to do that on behalf of your inner child.